Hello guys, today I will show you how to install spiderfoot in your Kali Linux in Android. So first make your terminal update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade, and after that press enter. After that it will ask for you the Y or N. You have to type Y. Okay, when you press Y it will start installing. After that you have to copy this tool. Okay, I given this tool in my Telegram channel. I given the every link in my Telegram channel. Copy this and paste it in your terminal. Okay, just paste it. I already installed this one, guys. That's why it's showing for me like this. After that we have to copy the second command, copy it and paste it. Now you are in the spiderfoot directory. Okay, you can see it here from here. After that copy the third command. Okay, copy it and paste it here and press enter. Okay, it will install the every requirement files of this tool. Okay, after that for running process you have to copy this one, copy the fourth command and just paste it here. Okay, when you paste it here, just paste it here. Okay, after that in this video I will show the only installation process here. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel. It's free. So thanks for watching, guys. So
yeah.